Arthur Miller as an American novelist. Introduction. Arthur Miller is one of the most influential American playwrights and novelists of the 20th century. His works often explore the American dream, morality, and the human condition. This assignment will analyze Miller's life, works, and contributions to American literature. Analysis of major works. Miller's most famous play, Death of a Salesman, 1949, critiques the American dream and its illusions. The Crucible, 1953, explores the Salem witch trials and the dangers of hysteria. A View from the Bridge, 1955, is a tragic love story set in Brooklyn's Italian-American community. Discussion of writing style and themes. Miller's writing style is characterized by his use of everyday language and his exploration of complex themes such as morality, guilt, and redemption. His works often critique societal norms and expectations. Contribution to American literature. Miller's contributions to American literature are immense. He has influenced generations of writers and continues to be widely studied and performed today. His works offer a unique perspective on the American experience and the human condition. Expert in tragedy. In Arthur Miller's Death of a Salesman, Willy Loman embodies the American dream's illusions and disillusionments. He believes that success comes from being well-liked and achieving material wealth. Willy's fixation on the dream blinds him to his own flaws and the reality of his circumstances. He measures his worth by his sales performance and ability to provide for his family, but ultimately fails to achieve his goals. Through Willy's tragic fall, Miller critiques the American dream's emphasis on superficial success and the devastating consequences of chasing an unattainable ideal. Willy's story exposes the dream's empty promises and the illusion of social mobility. Conclusion. In conclusion, Arthur Miller is a significant American novelist and playwright whose works continue to resonate with audiences today. His exploration of the American dream, morality, and the human condition has made a lasting impact on American literature.